today we're gonna do a piano tutorial, and we're gonna do Santa Baby by Eartha and Kitt. So let's go. Okay.
Awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check out my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Let's see what we get. 3 stars, everybody. Thumbs up. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye. Bye.